Hi, welcome to myprojectwizard.com. Project title is Identifying Features in Opinion Mining via Intrinsic and Extrinsic Domain Relevance. This project comes under the domain of data mining. Opinion mining, also known as sentiment analysis, aims to analyze people's opinions, sentiments, and attitudes toward entities such as products, services, and their attributes. Sentiments or opinions expressed in textual reviews are typically analyzed at various resolutions. For example, document level opinion mining identifies the overall subjectivity or sentimental expressed in an entity in a review document, but it does not associate opinions with specific aspect of the entity. These problems also happens, though to lesser extent, in sentence level opinion mining. One key finding of our work is that distributional structure of an opinion feature in a given domain-dependent review corpus. First, several syntactic difference rules are used to generate a list of candidate features from a given domain review corpus. For example, cell phone or hotel reviews. Next, for each recognized feature candidate, its domain relevance score with respect to the domain-specific and domain-independent corpora is computed, which we termed as intrinsic domain relevance score and extrinsic domain relevance score, respectively. The final step, candidate feature with low IDR score and high EDR scores are found. We thus call this interval thresholding the intrinsic and extrinsic domain relevance criterion. Next, I am going to explain the data flow diagram of the project. Start the process. Next, we collect the hotel review corpus and we load the data set into the databases and perform tagging for each document in the corpus. Tagging in the sense the subject opinion feature has a syntactic relationship of type subject verb with sentence predicate. The object feature has a dependence relationship of verb object and the predicate. In addition, it also has a dependent relationship of preposition object and the prepositional word in the sentence. And we extract the candidate feature extraction. From the extracted word, we are going to find out the word frequency, term frequency, and document frequency. Depends upon the frequency, we are find out the dispersion and the deviation. Dispersion in the sense quantifies how significantly a term is mentioned all across documents by measuring the distributional signification of terms across different documents in the entire corpus. Deviation in the sense reflects how frequently a term is mentioned in a particular document. Calculate the domain relevance score and get the user defined threshold. Depends upon the threshold, we will extract the opinion feature in each document and the process. Next, I am going to explain the running procedure of the project. Start the WAM server and open the NetBeans. Run title.java in the package. Right click run file. Identifying feature in opinion mining via intrinsic and extrinsic domain relevance. Click next. Now we are going to get the documents, the hotel review corpus. Click browse, open the package and go to the data set in Delhi. Click any one file, load the data set into the databases. Loaded successfully. These are the hotel review corpus. Click next. Now we are going to perform the tagging. Click tagging. These are the original content. These are the tagged contents. Tagging in that sense, the subject opinion feature has a syntactic relationship of type subject verb with the sentence predicate and preposition verb object and noun verb predicate relationship in each document in the sentence. Click extraction. Candidate feature extraction based on the based on the before we are going to perform the tagging. Click extract. These are the tag descendants from each document in the corpus. Click next. Now we are going to calculate the word frequency, temp frequency and document frequency. Click word count. These are the word arrays in each document in this sentence. Click temp frequency. Temp frequency calculated successfully. Now we are going to calculate the document frequency. Click document frequency. Click document frequency. Based on the temp frequency and word frequency, we are find out the document frequency. Click next. Now we are going to calculate the opinion feature identification. Before calculating the opinion feature identification, we are going to calculate the dispersion and the deviation. Click dispersion. Dispersion in the sense quantifies how significantly a term is mentioned across all documents by measuring the distributional significance of term across different documents in the entire corpus. Click next. Now we are going to calculate the deviation. Click weight. Calculate the weight. Based on the weight, we are calculating the deviation. Deviation measures how frequently a term is mentioned in a particular document by measuring its distributional significance in the document. Based on the both dispersion and deviation, we are going to calculate the domain relevance. We are domain relevance find out successfully. Next, we are now identifying the opinion feature based on the domain relevance score calculated as before. Let the user defined dress code calculate the identifying the opinion feature successfully. Finally, the conclusion of the project is we propose a novel intercorporate statistic approach to opinion feature extraction based on the independent, intrinsic and extrinsic domain relevance feature filtering criterion, which utilizes the dispersity in distributional characteristics of feature across two corpora, one domain specific, one domain independent. Thank you.